Okay, we're just putting the car on the scan tool. We're waiting for it to link with the car. We're trying to link the scan tool to this car. Okay, we've just checked the coil packs. They are still brand new. But there's a possibility that they might be fault. So we're gonna check them one by one. But for now, we're gonna take out the spark plugs in there, check them one by one, and then we're gonna take it from there. All right, let's go. All right, we just took out the first spark plug. I don't know if you can see. Just focus, but come on, yeah. Doesn't want to focus this thing. Yeah, no, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good at all. Okay, let's take out the other spark plugs and see what's happening. But yeah, this one does not look good at all. All right, we just took out the second spark plug. It's got oil. It looks burnt. Okay, it should be burnt, but this one has got oil in it, too much oil. Okay, let's take out the third one and see what's happening. Okay, plug number 3. It's also the same as spark plug number 1. Must change. In fact, they must change all these spark plugs and see if the problem goes on, because the car is vibrating, is shaking very bad. Okay, let's take out the last one. Okay, this is spark plug number 4, but yeah, it also needs to be changed just to be safe. Yeah, but no, at least we've got an idea where the vibration might come from. Okay, these are all the 4 spark plugs. You can see the difference. Spark plug number 3, finished. We've just seen spark plug number 3 is bad. Now we're gonna check the coils and see if they're fine. Okay. All right, let's see now. Now we're gonna change the spark plugs first and then test it and see how it runs. We've changed this spark plug. It was the main problem, it was the main culprit. So now I'm just gonna change 1, 2, 3 so that you can have new spark plugs, even though the other ones are still okay. But we're just gonna put 4 new spark plugs. Okay, here are the new spark plugs. They're for Audi and VW. That's it. Here's the old one. There's the new one, brand new from the box. So it's an NGK spark plug. It's a very common brand. So we're just gonna hold them in 1, 2, 3, and then the job would be done. And then we also want to check why there's an oil leak somewhere there. Okay, 1, 2, 3 spark plugs are in. Okay, this is also new. We just put it now. So it's got 4 new spark plugs. So the dirty spark plug or the damaged one was causing problems. Okay, now let's start the car and see. Okay, let's see what's happening. Before, it had a EPC light which was right here, and the car was vibrating a lot. So now let's see what happens. Let's see. Start the car. Ooh. This is nice. Hey? Okay, the indicator is working. Okay, the EPC light is gone. The car is idling. Just now. Oh. So the engine is no longer vibrating, so everything is sharp. Job done. On uphill high. Yeah, performer no.
Oh, yeah, perform.
Ke utlwa ina le matla no.
No, ina le matla.
Nice, no. Very nice. Much good. The problem was the spark plug that had a oil in it, so we changed the spark plug. Now the car is performing. Yeah, I say it. Good, very good. We thank God.